अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में जो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर ऑफ जनरल इंग्लिश ऑफ फोर्थ सेमेस्टर। इसके ऊपर सेकंड सेमेस्टर लिखा है, लेकिन एक्चुअली में ये फोर्थ सेमेस्टर का ही सिलेबस है। तो चलिए हम इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है, पिको आयर इज़ एन द आंसर इज़ ब्रिटिश एसेइस्ट। यस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, in Why We Travel, Ayer quotes from the essay The Philosophy of Travel, which is written by, the answer is George Santayana. The Philosophy of Travel was published in 1964. Yes. Question number 3, Pico Ayer maintains that traveling allows us to see. The answer is all of these. Yes. Question number 4, Pico Ayer maintains that travel. The answer is all of these. Yes. Disrupts us, simplifies us, emancipates us. All of these. Question number 5, according to Pico, travel at least for a moment makes us transcend. The answer is our past future. इसका जो आंसर है वो है बी पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, a man never goes so far when he does not know where he is going. The line here is by question. The answer is Oliver Cornwell. Question number 7, in the essay Why We Travel, the best trips are compared to. इसका जो आंसर है वो है द बेस्ट लवर अफेयर्स। यस, बी पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, वन ऑफ द प्लेसेस गिवन बिलो इज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय पिको एज द मोस्ट अथॉरिटेरियन। यस, नॉर्थ कोरिया। इसका जो आंसर है वो है सी पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, Santayana believes that travel can. The answer is all of these. Keep the mind nimble, kill prejudice, foster humor. Yes. Question number 10, the first great joy of traveling according to Ayer is simply the luxury of leaving all dash at home. The answer is all of these. Yes. Beliefs and certainties, personal belongingness, precious perceptions. The answer is all of these. Question number 11, Ayer says we travel that in search of both self and anonymity. What does the word anonymity mean? The answer is all of these. Freedom from being judged, leaving behind our material status, freedom from being labeled. Yes. Question number 12, travel shows us all parts of ourselves that might otherwise grow or remain. The answer is both and B, unattended and rusty. Yes. Question number 13, the world that Pico Ayer describes in his essay is. The answer is all of these. Technologically advanced, highly mobile, multicultural, and all of these. इसका जो आंसर है वो है डी पार्ट, all of these. Question number 14, why does the Pico believe that romantic poet inaugurated an era of travel? The answer is all of these. Question number 15, Anne Frank died before she could reach at the age of. The answer is 16. Yes. Anne Frank died at the age of mid-15. Anne Frank was born in 1929 and she died in 1945 during Second World War. Yes. The question number 16, who discovered Annie's diary? The answer is Annie's father. Yes. Question number 17, the diary of a young girl written by Anne Frank deals with. The answer is all of these. Annie's belief in political freedom, her relations with her parents, her physical and mental growth. Yes. Question number 18, the diary of a young girl Anne Frank can be read as. The answer is C part, both and B. Question number 19, Anne Frank was a Jewish girl. Yes, she belongs to Jewish. Question number 20, we are opposites in everything, so naturally we are bound to run up against each other. Who are we being referred to? Here we are being referred as Annie and her mother. Yes, C part. Question number 21, everything has upset me again this morning, so I was not able to finish a single thing properly. Annie is upset because her mother does not treat her properly. She has fought with Margot of the war between Germans and Allies. The answer is all of these. Yes. Question number 22, diary written is mostly. The answer is all of these. Personal, autobiographical, focus on author's own growth. Question number 23, Annie started writing her diary when she was 13 years old. Yes, B part. B part is the correct answer. No one is able to keep out of the whole globe is waging war, and although it is going better for allies, the end is not yet in sight. Who were allies in the Second World War? The answer is A part. United States, Britain, France, and Soviet Union. And they fought the war with Axis powers, which were German, Japan, and Italy. Yes. Question number 25. According to one of the anti-Jewish law, the Jewish people were made to wear a yellow star. Yes. The star whereby Jewish has the color yellow. Question number 26. Anne Frank regards her hiding as, the answer is a dangerous adventure. Great. Question number 27. What reason did Annie give for writing a diary? The answer is all of these. Not. The answer is A part, because she had no real friend. Yes, that is why she make diary a real friend. Question number 28. What name does Annie give to her diary? The answer is Kitty, Kitty. Yes. Question number 29. After the arrival of the Germans in Holland, Jews were forced to remain indoors by? The answer is 8 o'clock. Yes. Question number 30. Annie Frank thought that people will not be interested in the unbosomings of a 13-year-old girl. The word unbosoming means the act of dissolving one's personal thoughts, the act of dissolving one's troubled life, the act of dissolving one's innermost feelings. The answer is all of these. Yes. Question number 31. Mahmoud Darwish was a dash poet, Palestinian poet. Yes. C part. Question number 32. The poem ID card can be read as? The answer is all of these. Decent poem expressing grief, poem expressing violence. Yes. Question number 33. The poem ID card overtly carries the theme of exile, cultural identity, national identity. The answer is all of these. Question number 34. The poem ID card is written in the form of a, and the answer is conversation. A part. Question number 35. Why does the word eagle mean in the poem ID card? The answer is B part. The black cord worn around the head. Yes. Question number 36. Seamus Heaney was a dash poet. The answer is Irish, Ireland. Yes, C part. Question number 37. The poem digging brings dash setting to the reader's mind. The answer is all of these. Farm, rural, agriculture, all of these. Question number 38. In the poem digging, one of the following things that speaker brings in his speaker for his grandfather is? The answer is a bottle of milk. Yes. Question number 39. In the poem digging, the speaker compares digging with? The answer is writing. C part. Question number 40. I will dig with it. What does it refers to? The answer is speaker's pen. Yes. Question number 41. Margaret Atwood is an dash poet. The answer is Canadian. Yes. Question number 42. Atwood is a? The answer is both and B, poet and novelist. Yes. Question number 43. The central theme of the poem, This is a Photograph of Me, is our appearance and reality, quest for identity, women's struggle against patriarchy. The answer is all of these. Yes. Question number 44. The poem that is This is a Photograph of Me is written by? The answer is free verses. Is written in free verses. Yes. Question number 45. The poem This is a Photograph of Me turns from a simple description of a photograph in the first stanza into dash the second stanza. The answer is terrible revelation of speaker's death. A part. Yes. Question number 46. Jothan, a Dalit's life was originally written in? The answer is Hindi language. Yes. Question number 47. Jothan, a Dalit's life can be read as? The answer is Om Prakash's autobiography perspective depicting Dalit oppression. Yes. Question number 48. One of the characters from the choices given below in Christian by religion in the story Jothan. The answer is Sevak Ram. Yes, Sevak Ram was a Christian man. Question number 49. One of the characters in Jothan and developed a boil on his belly. The answer is Sukan Singh. Question number 50. In Jothan, one of the characters was nicknamed Munshiji. The answer is Om Prakash Narayan. That is the narrator. Yes, the narrator, who was named Om Prakash Narayan, was nicknamed also Munshiji. Yes. Question number 51. In the novel Jothan, the rapiers would get. The answer is B part. One chef out of 21. Question number 52. How long did the headmaster make Valmiki sweep the playground? The answer is C part. 3 days. Yes. Question number 53. Surindar's compliment on the delicious food served by Valmiki's wife. The answer is made her happy. Question number 54. Which of the following was a true of Sukhbir? The answer is both A and C. Yes, he had 2 sons and he had also bought a buffalo for his family. Question number 55. What were the sum of the changes that had taken place at the inter college? The answer is students no longer sat on mats. Yes, and there were separate teachers for separate subjects, both and A and C. Question number 56. After reading the extract, which emotions can you associate with the narrator? Anger, scorn, frustration? The answer is all of these. Question number 57. During harvest time, the laborers from the untouchable castes, and the answer is B part, would protest against their misery wages. Yes. Question number 58. At the wedding of Sukhdev Singh, Tyagi's daughter, Valmiki's mother, the answer is asserted her dignity by emptying the food basket in front of Sukhdev. Yes. B part. Question number 59. Who emerges as a heroic figure from the story? The answer is Valmiki's sister-in-law. इसका जो आंसर है वो है बी पार्ट, नॉट सी पार्ट. वाल्मीकि सिस्टर इन लॉ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. जोथन अ दलित लाइफ इज अ, एक्चुअली वो ऑप्शन ही में नहीं है. द आंसर इज ऑटोबायोग्राफी. जोथन अ दलित लाइफ इज अ ऑटोबायोग्राफी. तो गाइस ये था प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर ऑफ जनरल इंग्लिश ऑफ 4th सेमेस्टर, जो कि सिलेबस के रिलेटेड ही था और ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ही थे. तो अगर आप लोगों के लिए ये वीडियो फ़ायदेमंद है, देन डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर दीज वीडियोज़ टू द नीडी स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू.